Bring nature into your home with the wood grain aromatherapy machine and essential oil set. Bring the beauty and power of nature into your home with the wood grain aromatherapy machine and essential oil set. This portable machine is the perfect way to transform your space with the natural scents of essential oils. With its elegant and compact design, this portable machine enhances any decor. Whether you're looking to relax in your living room, create a calming ambience in your bedroom, or improve your focus in your office, the wood grain aromatherapy machine has got you covered. The wood grain aromatherapy machine comes with 5 premium scents to choose from, all made with natural essential oils. Lavender and almond blossom, freshwater breeze, mandarin and sweet orange, peony and jasmine, almond cherry and vanilla. Each refill provides continuous, long-lasting fragrance, leaving your space smelling fresh and inviting. The wood grain aromatherapy machine transforms natural essential oils into a gentle, fragrant mist, providing a soothing and therapeutic experience for your senses. Bring the beauty and power of nature into your home with the wood grain aromatherapy machine and essential oil set.